Hi ladies, I'm having the worst trouble today with my camera again. I don't know what's going on. But so I'm gonna try to show you. I got some kits in the mail yesterday, and they're the same kit. They're both the same. I'm gonna just show you. I think my camera is turned around wrong. I think that's why I'm having trouble. But we're gonna go with it the way it is right now. This is a kit that I got. It is a Stephen Awake kit from Bountiful Baby, and it is a Realborn. If you're not familiar with a Realborn, this is a COA from Bountiful Baby. If you're not familiar with a Realborn, it actually is a 3D scan of a real baby, and most of the Bountiful Baby kits, not all, but most of them are from their children and grandchildren. Their real children and grandchildren from pictures, and they do a 3D scan and they put it into vinyl, the actual baby. So there he is, and there's the real Stephen Awake. And I got two of them, so I'm just going to show you real quick what they look like. I hope this video comes out because it's looking really weird right now. So anyway, we're going to try this. Here is the face. Look how cute his face is. He's got the cutest face. To me, he looks like almost like a little elf face, and he does have a soft spot here. I can see that. Here's his little face. He's got his little lips and eyes, and I really do like the Awake kits for myself, but I'm going to be painting these to sell. There's his one ear, and there's his other ear. He's got a good size head too. I mean, he's a newborn size, but he's got a good size head for a newborn. He's a good size newborn, I think. He's about 19 inches, but he's got a big head and big feet, as you'll see. So there's his face. I think he's got a cutest little face. He almost reminds me of an elf. I don't know why, but there's his face. And I'm going to show you his legs. This is his right leg. And see how long it is? He's got a long leg. And there's all the different, I thought something might be wrong with the kid at first, but it's not. It's just, he's got a lot of rolls in his knee and legs there. Here's his foot. He's got pretty big feet for a newborn. Here's his foot. Very detailed, as you can see. See all the creases and stuff in the bottom of his foot? He's got a good sized foot. I think he is going to wear a size 0 to 3-month shoe, this kit, even though he's newborn. Because his toes are all, he's got his toes all splayed out. So there's his one leg. And it's a straight leg. Well, the other leg's straight too. There's his, well, this one's a little bit bent. See, it's bent at the knee. There's his other leg. And these were on sale, so I jumped on them when they're on sale. Right now, I'm trying to build up my, I don't call it stash, but my inventory of Realborn kits to sell. So I'm just showing you that there's his other leg. That would go like this. And here is one of his arms. Let's see how detailed, I don't know if you can see that, but see how detailed his fingers are. He's got all the crevices and stuff. I don't know if you can see that, but he really does. It's hard, but you can see he has all his, there you go. See all the lines, sections of his fingers. I love Realborn kits because they're so lifelike. I mean, obviously they're from 3D scans of real babies, so they tend to be more detailed than just the regular Bountiful Baby kits. So I'm trying to collect, not exactly collect them, but save up some, you know, build up my inventory of Realborn kits to Reborn. Here's one arm, and here's the last arm we're gonna have. And I think he is a very cute kit. I saw him done in an ethnic skin tone, and he's beautiful. He's beautiful in both skin tones, but this is his other hand or arm. It's detailed too. Both are really detailed. Like I said, it's really detailed. And I would say he's a bigger newborn. I mean, he's got some long legs to me. I think they say he's only 19 inches, but he's a pretty big boy. He's a pretty big boy. Just put them all back. So I just thought I'd show you today. And they're exactly the same. The two kits are exactly the same. And look at that face. Isn't that the cutest face you've seen? He's just a little bit smiling. He's got full lips and he is just smiling just a tad. I don't know if you can catch that. He's got good sized ears, big ears. I like his ears. I seem to like big eared babies. He's got big ears. His face is really serene, I think. He's got a sweet face. So I've got two exactly of these, and I'm going to be painting them. I think I may paint one Caucasian and one more of an ethnic skin tone. So I think the ethnic one is going to have brown eyes, and the Caucasian might have blue or green. So there, once again, it says COA. And it's officially saying that's his real picture of the real Stephen awake. They also have a Stephen asleep. I didn't get him yet. I might get him in the next round when they have a sale again. And if you don't know, it just says birth certificate, Realborn, Stephen awake. Birth date, time of birth, weight. You could fill all this out. I would fill this out as an artist. Length, Realborn artist, and nursery name. And those are blanks to fill that out. It says, this document certifies that your doll is an authentic Realborn baby created from scans of the real newborn baby by a team of artists, designers, and technicians at Bountiful Baby. So there you go. So if I'm going to do some series. I'm going to try to do some more painting series and show y'all, how the babies come to life. If y'all, I did a short video about, well, not short, about 15 minutes showing the painting of a baby that I'm doing now, but it's going to be my own collection. So if y'all enjoy those videos, you can comment, enjoy that type of video, comment, and I'll try to do some more painting videos, and I'll show you these little, these handsome fellas coming to life. And of course, it's Stephen, but they could be a boy or girl, as you know. And I don't do customs, but what I do is I normally paint up the babies, and then I put them up for sale. So they will be for sale in a couple weeks, I suppose. I'm sure I'll have them done by this summer, and they'll be up for sale. So probably about a month it'll take me to do both of them. Anyway, I just want to show you this today. I don't want this video to be long, so just want to show you this. And this is, like I said, turned down for babies, right out of the box, the kits, just so you can see what they look like. And I hope this video comes out and it's not looking weird or a paid. So I will talk to you soon. I'm going to try to make another video today of, I know I haven't made any just regular videos of changing babies or anything like that lately, so I'm going to try to do one of those today, later today, of changing a baby. I know my great dolly friend Iris likes to comment, so and I really appreciate her comments. I appreciate all of her comments. If you'd like to comment, let me know if I get it in time of what baby you would like me to see in my nursery changing video maybe, or just like to see details video. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all soon. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a wonderful, blessed day.